Let's put the spotlight then on a Zensar Technologies. The counter has seen a very smart rally if you look at the last few trading sessions alone, and it's gained over 30% if you look at it on a 1-month basis. Now, we've recently signed a digital solutions pact with PTC ThingWorks, that's a US-based company. We have Sandeep Kishore, the Managing Director and CEO of the company, joining in for more details on that. Thanks very much for joining in, Sandeep. Let's start with this recent partnership in the IoT space. Can you walk us through the details here?
Yeah, hi. Thank you for having us. We are absolutely delighted to have the partnership with PTC. As we've always maintained that digital is the pivotal for our go-forward go-to-market, and IoT is a part of our digital stack. We were looking to enhance our IoT offering, and PTC is a world leader. So in collaboration with PTC, the IoT solution that we put together, particularly for our manufacturing customers, is what is the base of our partnership. Manufacturing, as we've mentioned, is roughly about half of our business, and hence it is very important that we stay aligned to the new trends and new technologies that is going to propel the growth for our business. And IoT plays actually quite well in that category.
In fact, I do want to ask you about, the acquisitions that you've made over the last 2 years. We've seen 4 major acquisitions. This year alone, the last time you spoke to us, you spoke about Cynosure, and, you've made a second acquisition as well. How has the integration been? What has the performance contribution been from these acquisitions?
So the first 3 acquisitions, which is Foolproof, Keystone, and Cynosure, they've actually been quite well integrated into the overall solution stack, as well as the operations delivery and the go-to-market. The most recent acquisition that we announced just about a month to a digital agency based out of Bellevue in Seattle region in the United States. We've just completed that acquisition, and the integration is currently in play. All the acquisitions, as we've mentioned earlier, are part of our return on digital go-to-market framework and methodology. They are very critical. They've been very strict. An acquisitive company. We've identified specific areas where we needed to do significant enhancement in the competency for our go-to-market, and that's exactly where all these acquisitions play. We're very happy with the way the acquisitions have gone in. The core organic business also last quarter, and I called it out earlier, our overall growth was on year-on-year basis over 18%. Core organic was over 14% business. So both part of the business, the organic as well as the acquisitions, have actually been doing quite well for us.
All right, definitely seeing a good growth traction from both organic as well as inorganic. I do want to ask you about your digital services, because this has been quite a growth driver for you. It's been doing well. It's been a focus area as well. I believe 43% was the kind of contribution in the first quarter. Going ahead, what is the sort of outlook that you have for this space?
We don't give any forward guidance, but if you actually just, the way to look at it is we are executing quite well to a digital aligned strategy. We've always maintained that our entire focus over the last 2.5 years is to deliver digital program at scale to our customers. We've invested heavily into creating over 50 different digital platforms under return on digital umbrella. And all of those are now available to our customers. There are over 35 of our customers who are actually using and leveraging the platform which we have built. And we're shifting ourselves. The last time when I spoke with you, we mentioned about platform plus services strategy as a core go-forward plan for Zensar, rather than just a pure play services strategy. And that's helped us propel this digital to be now at 43% of the business. That part of the business has grown, of course, including the acquisition, at over 40% year-on-year. And we still see pretty significant headroom for us to grow in that business as well.
All right, fair enough. A lot of enterprise software like Oracle Finance and such is being offered as platforms on the cloud by many product companies. What is the kind of impact that you see this having on Indian software companies who do a lot of work in, the actual implementation, maintenance and upgrade of these products? Any sort of an outlook that you can give us on this front, and what sort of longer term impact you see that having on your company?
It's a great question. I think most organizations, particularly in the digital and IT services company, really need to devise a strategy of leveraging the power of cloud and the power of platform. almost all the world-class software product companies like Oracle or SAP, Microsoft, IBM, as you mentioned, have all started, driving the businesses on the platform area. And hence, the companies really need to ask themselves on, what value add can you then build on these platforms for customers. Customers still have a lot of bespoke applications. They still have a lot of front-end, applications. There's still a lot of work available for integration and orchestration and, providing additional value to the end customers. And that's been the focus for building our own platform, which fundamentally bridges and provides that extra value to our retail and consumer customers, insurance customers, high-tech, and basically the sector that we are present. We really have to find collaborative ways to work with the world majors, and there are significant opportunities for the Global 1,000 companies that you work with. Because there's always an opportunity for these customers to really have some uniqueness in their own business. And that means opportunity for collaboration more, provided you have the platform which you've invested in built.
All right, so look for those opportunities then. That's really the outlook as far as this is concerned. What is the outlook as far as utilization levels go? Are they peaking? Are they close to peaking? Do you expect any further improvement here?
I think we are at probably among the best in the industry. We've increased by about 200 basis points in the last 2 consecutive quarters. There is some room still available for the utilization to go up, but not much. I mean, we are probably at 86% or so now. So you may have 100, 150 basis points of levers available on that count. But then you have to find other levers available, which comes with platform, which comes with automation, with all AI stack that is being built. So there are additional levers available, but utilization, you should start seeing peaking, more another 100, 150 basis points.
All right, fair enough. We leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in, really giving us the update as far as this recent partnership that has been signed, as well as the outlook for the various segments of the business going ahead. That's Sandeep Kishore of Zensar Technologies, really taking us through the fine print of the company's business performance lately. But let's put the focus then on an LIC Housing Finance. They did report an optically strong quarter as far as the first quarter goes. Profits jumped about 18%.